What's going on, y'all? Hey, y'all, I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to install hill horns on your 2003 Honda Accord. I think it's like a 7th gen. But anyway, quick tutorial on how to do it. Let's get to it. So long story short, I ordered these hill horns off Amazon. They were like 40 bucks. Only thing that I kind of messed up with and struggled with was trying to hook them up with the with all the stuff they gave me, the wires and everything, hook up to the battery and whatever the fuck this shit goes to. Easiest way to do it is literally find your own ground, which I found right here. That's my ground, and the power comes from the stock. Well, obviously the part that hooks up to your stock horns, and that's literally everything you have to do. It has these two prongs on the back of it. These two, yeah, there you go. Those two prongs, one's gonna be ground, one's gonna be positive, obviously. And I grounded mine's right here on the back, and my power from that cable that I showed you right here, which is pretty simple. It took like 30 minutes to install. Alright, I just cut my wire. On to the next step. Alright, I exposed my wire. Now time to put my connector on it. Now my connector is connected to the power wire. I will put my heat shrink, which I have right here, on top of that, so I can go over this so my wire won't be exposed. I have a heat gun, so yeah. Ground wire all hooked up and ready to be installed. Alright, y'all, so I would say things I could have done better is have better, not showing the exposed wire for the ground. I used what I had, but it works for the most part. Maybe down the line I might change it, clean it up a little bit. But yeah, definitely love the sound of the horns. Not bad for the price of 40 bucks. You don't need all the extra wires they give you. I mean, you could probably use it for scraps to make your own cable or whatever, but other than that, simple fix, easy to go, easy to install. I do recommend it. So, and they call it hill horns on Amazon. So yeah, get a chance to get it, go buy them. For the most part, the Honda's getting there, y'all. Honda's getting there. You can't see the hill horns, it's all good, but getting there, I'm telling you. So I'm already gonna tell y'all I'm not wrapping these fenders, the side splitters or the bumper, because I'm just gonna replace both the front bumper, side skirts, and rear bumper, and hopefully we get those in once I get to Georgia. But I do have a surprise for y'all. So me and the wife been talking, and we think we're about to buy my buddy's Audi. So it's a 2019 Audi A6, pretty clean for the most part. The only issue is the passenger side mirror is broken. Apparently someone hit the car a while back, and my buddy never fixed it, but he's planning on selling this car, and for a good price, good steal. But right now I'm kind of in between, moving and everything, and it's just a lot, The interior is clean as fuck though, clean as fuck. So still debating if I want to get it or not. But it's a good car, spacious. But the back door is not locked. also the battery's dead, so I gotta get a new battery, probably a fucking new alternator if I do get this damn car, and a fucking mirror, but for the most part, yeah. All right, y'all. I got more videos coming. Stay tuned for what's coming up next, and I appreciate y'all for everything. Peace.